Hey everyone, ready for another deep dive?
Always.
Awesome. So today we're looking at this super interesting YouTube video
Ooh, yeah.
from Grind Success.
Yeah, I saw that one.
It's all about this chef named Chris who,
Oh, yeah, Chris is awesome.
figured out how to make his passion for cooking into a real business.
Smart guy.
Making some serious bank too.
Yeah, no kidding, like 20
Like 20K to 30K a month.
to 30K a month. Yeah, it's crazy.
I know, right? It's incredible.
Inspiring.
So we're going to break down how he did it.
Yeah, how he went from $17 an hour
Yeah, like a regular job
to running the show.
to being his own boss.
Yeah.
All thanks to food.
Well, and some smarts.
Yeah, for
So
sure.
right away, he had this really smart approach.
What was that?
He made 2 different cookbooks.
Oh, wow.
One with like all the essential recipes.
Okay, so like the go-to stuff.
Exactly, the stuff everyone needs.
Quick and easy?
Yeah. And then the other one was all budget-friendly recipes.
Oh, that's smart.
Yeah. So he was hitting a wider audience right away.
So like no matter who you are.
Exactly.
You're
You're covered. You need convenience. You got it.
Yeah.
You need to save some money.
Well,
He's got you.
So smart.
Yeah. And he didn't stop there.
Oh, there's more.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
I'm intrigued.
He also started offering like personalized meal plans and coaching too.
So it's like customized for what you need.
He could really zero in on
Yeah.
specific dietary needs of people with allergies.
Oh, right.
Or people trying to eat healthier.
Makes sense.
That personal touch, that's a game changer, you know?
It makes you feel like
Totally.
seen.
Yeah, like he gets you.
So, okay, he's got these great offerings.
Yeah.
But how did people even know about it?
Okay, so this is where it gets really wild.
Okay.
He built the whole business on Twitter.
No way.
Yeah, and no ads.
Really?
All organic.
Wow, that's impressive.
Yes.
I mean, Twitter
it's powerful.
it can be a tough nut to crack.
Well, he was smart about it.
Okay, how so?
Like he'd do these long Twitter threads packed with nutrition info.
Oh, cool.
But then he'd mix in like awesome food pics.
Okay, so it's not just like a lecture.
Got to make it appealing.
Yeah.
And he'd share some of his recipes too.
Oh, that's smart.
Yeah. And people loved it.
So it was like engaging content.
Exactly.
Not just like,
oh, crap.
buy my stuff.
He was building a connection with people.
Yeah.
And it worked.
So did he like have a big break or?
He did, actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah. He had this one thread about grass-fed beef.
Okay.
Went totally viral.
Whoa.
Yeah. I mean, overnight.
Overnight.
Hundreds of new followers.
That's amazing.
Right place, right time, right message.
That's so cool.
Or if that organic reach is still possible.
It's encouraging, you know?
Totally.
It feels like sometimes you need
a miracle.
Yeah.
But sometimes you just need
the right content.
So it sounds like it all happens so fast.
Well, hold on.
Oh.
Not quite.
Okay.
He actually spent a whole year
Oh, wow.
building his online presence before going full time.
Makes sense.
Yeah, it's a marathon, not a sprint.
Yeah. It takes time to build that foundation.
It does.
So I'm dying to know, what was the moment
Oh, yeah.
when he was like, I can do this?
The light bulb moment.
Yeah.
Okay, so picture this.
Okay.
He's at his day job, making his $17 an hour,
Yep.
and he gets a notification on his phone.
Oh.
A sale for $450.
Oh.
Just like that.
What? I mean, that's got to feel good.
Right. Talk about validation.
Yeah, like all that hard work.
Totally.
Paid off.
And it showed him, you know, this could actually work.
Like, this isn't just a hobby.
No, it's a real business.
Wow.
A real income.
So he quit his job?
Yep, that was it.
Wow.
Took the leap.
I bet that was scary.
I'm sure it was.
But exciting, too. Oh, definitely.
What's life like for him now?
Oh, man, it's totally different.
Yeah.
He sets his own schedule.
No more 9 to 5.
Nope.
That's the dream.
He spends his days, like, making meal plans, coming up with new recipes, creating content for his followers.
So he still
gotta
keep that up.
And he does coaching calls, too.
Oh, wow. So he's like talking to people one-on-one.
Helping them reach their goals.
That's awesome.
It's a cool gig.
It really is.
I mean,
it's like what we all want. Be your own boss.
Work from anywhere.
Do what you love.
Exactly.
So what's his secret?
You know what's funny? His advice is really simple.
Okay. I like simple.
He says, don't get caught up
Yeah.
in like optimizing everything.
Okay.
Just focus on the content.
So like, yeah.
Make good content.
Consistently.
Consistently.
And show off your skills.
So what makes you you?
Exactly.
But that's hard.
Yeah.
Figuring
out what makes you unique.
That's a good point.
Like, what's my thing?
What's your honey garlic shrimp?
Haha. I love that.
Right.
It's like, what's your specialty?
Yeah. What do you bring to the table?
That nobody else does.
That's the key.
It's like for Chris.
Yeah.
He made healthy food,
Uh-huh.
but it was also beautiful.
Oh, yeah. Presentation matters.
It does, especially with food.
Totally.
People eat with their eyes first.
So true.
So, okay, all this is great.
Yeah.
But did he need like a ton of money?
To get started.
Yeah.
Yeah, not at all.
Really?
His overhead is super low.
What's he paying for?
Twitter Blue.
Okay.
Groceries, obviously.
Makes sense.
And then he invests in like
yeah,
mentors and coaches.
Oh, so he's still
Always learning.
learning and growing.
Yeah.
That's smart.
It's all about being smart with your money.
And your time.
Exactly.
You don't need...
You don't need a fancy studio.
Yeah.
You don't need a big budget.
You just need passion.
Passion, resourcefulness.
And a willingness to learn.
Yeah, and to share what you know.
Chris is big on that.
He is.
Like, document your process.
Put yourself out there.
Find your niche.
And offer something unique.
Don't be afraid to be different.
That's how you stand out.
It's so inspiring.
It is.
He really turned his passion into profit.
He did.
Like, he found what he loved,
Yeah.
honed his skills, and found his people.
And made a killing.
Literally.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it all comes down to this.
What's that?
What's your honey garlic shrimp?
Ooh, good one.
What's that thing
Yeah.
that you're passionate about,
Uh-huh.
that the world needs?
That's the recipe for success.
So true.
We should all be thinking about that.
Yeah. What's our unique contribution?
What are we bringing to the table?
Time to get creative.
I love it.
Maybe one of us listening
Yeah.
will be the next Chris.
Never know.
Okay. So let's take a quick break.
Sounds good.
And then we'll come back.
Okay.
And talk about the key takeaways.
From Chris's journey.
Sounds like a plan. Okay, so we're back.
Back again.
And ready to recap what we learned from Chris.
From Chef Chris.
Exactly. I mean, one thing that really stuck with me was how he targeted those specific needs.
With the cookbooks.
Yeah. Like he knew his audience.
Oh, totally.
You got to know who you're serving right.
It's crucial.
Like it's not enough to just have a good product.
You got to know who wants it.
Yeah, and what they're struggling with.
Like what their pain points are.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Chris nailed that.
He did.
Convenience, affordability.
Appeal to everyone.
And then there's the whole Twitter thing.
Oh, yeah.
It's kind of mind-blowing that he built his business organically.
No ads.
Like no ads.
Just pure hustle.
And strategy.
Oh, yeah. Tons of strategy.
He was consistent.
So consistent.
Posting all the time.
But good content.
Yeah.
Not just like random stuff.
He's giving people value.
Sharing his knowledge.
Engaging with them. Yeah. Building a community.
And it worked.
Totally good.
It's tempting to want that quick success.
Oh, yeah. The get rich quick.
But Chris's story shows us.
Yeah.
It takes time.
Patience and persistence.
Like that year he spent.
Building his foundation.
Yeah. Before going all in.
That's huge.
It shows he was serious.
He was committed.
It's inspiring to see someone turn their passion into profit.
Like a real living.
Yeah. Doing what they love.
That's the dream.
What's the biggest lesson here?
That's a good question.
Yeah. What's the takeaway?
I'd say it's finding your unique angle.
Okay.
What makes you stand out.
Yeah. What's your honey garlic shrimp?
Exactly.
What do you bring to the table?
That nobody else does.
Find that thing.
Nurture it.
Share it with the world.
That's how you make a difference.
And a living.
Fully both.
Right. But it's not about copying.
No.
It's about being authentically you. And being open to change.
Oh, yeah. Chris's journey.
Wasn't a straight line.
He learned and adapted.
He was flexible.
So for anyone listening who's feeling inspired, but maybe a little lost.
Overwhelmed?
Yeah.
Where do they start?
Start with your passions.
Okay.
What do you love to do?
What are you good at?
And then think about how can those things become something valuable?
To other people.
A product. A
service. Maybe just sharing your knowledge.
Yeah, even that.
Just take action.
That's the key.
Even if it's a small step.
Document your progress.
Connect with people.
Yeah, find your community.
And don't be afraid.
To put yourself out there.
Chris's story shows us.
Yeah.
It's possible.
To achieve your dreams.
With passion and hard work.
And a little bit of luck.
Always helps.
It does.
So to wrap things up.
Yeah.
Find your honey garlic shrimp.
I love that.
And go make some magic.
The world needs it.
That's it for this deep dive.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
We hope you enjoyed it.
And learned a thing or two. Until next time.